In our fast-paced, hectic lives, we often find ourselves longing for peace, a deeper connection with God and the universe around us. But somehow we miss out on the timeless wisdom that can guide our hearts toward that connection. This is why we started Vedic Station, to be your companion on a spiritual journey. A journey where timeless stories become tools for a clearer mind and a simpler, stress-free life. At Vedic Station, we dive deep into the treasures of epics, Vedas, Puranas, and Upanishads. These aren't just stories, but lessons woven with profound meaning, designed to help us live better lives. We explore narratives and teachings that guide you to unlock peace, joy, and clarity. We believe this ancient wisdom is for everyone seeking inspiration, connect with God in daily life, unraveling the truth from myth, or simply searching for ancient stories. For sure, there's something here for you. When you hit the subscribe button and join Vedic Station, you're becoming part of a family of explorers, seekers who strive to embrace the beauty of these ancient teachings. You'll also gain exclusive access to special sessions, events, and premieres, all crafted to bring wisdom and clarity into your life. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your journey to peace, wisdom, and clarity starts here. Welcome to Vedic Station.